Hello, in this short video I would like to introduce you to the model P55, Validyne's most popular pressure transducer. This compact and rugged general-purpose transducer is available in a wide variety of pressure ranges and output signal types. It accepts both liquids and gases, provides outstanding performance over a wide temperature range, and has a fast dynamic response. In this video, we will describe the salient features of the P55 and provide details about its capability. Here's a more detailed look at the P55. This differential pressure transducer is roughly 1.5 by 1.5 by 4.5 inches overall. There are 4 0.15-inch diameter mounting holes on the corners of the base plate for easy installation. You can also see that the P55 consists of 2 parts, a differential pressure sensor, and an electronics housing. The standard pressure port for the P55 is 1/8 inch NPT female and is located on the sides of the sensor as shown in the standard configuration. This makes adapting the P55 to process piping easy. The P55 also comes with a 5/16 inch AS5202/1 ZTA41 and custom pressure port configurations. In the differential model shown here, the P55 will have 2 1/8 NPT female ports on each side of the sensor body. These are marked plus and minus. There is also a bleed screw opposite each pressure port to allow the bleeding of air trapped inside the 2 sensor cavities. This allows the P55 to be used in dynamic measurement applications. The P55 also comes with a 1/8 inch NPT female port instead of the bleed screws for use in flow applications. The model number, serial number, pressure range, and wiring information are located on the top part of the pressure transducer. The electrical connector is mounted on the rear of the housing and is typically an Amphenol PT02A 6-pin military-style conductor. The P55 also has options for D38999A3-5 connector, WK4 cannon, or leads. The zero and span controls used for adjusting the signal output are found on the rear of the electronics housing next to the connector shell. They are marked with a Z for zero and an S for span. The P55 is available in a wide variety of pressure ranges and can be configured for absolute, differential, or gauge measurements. The P55 can be ordered with a full scale as low as 0 to plus or minus 0.125 psi, with a standard accuracy of 0.25% full scale and optional accuracy of 0.1% full scale or better. The P55 is ideal for precise measurements over very low pressures. The P55 is also available in pressure ranges as high as 3,200 psi, and these can be used to measure typical hydraulic pressures. Altogether, there are 23 different full-scale ranges for the P55 from 0.125 psid to 3,200 psid. In addition, every P55 can withstand line pressures of up to 3,200 psig. This means a low-range P55 can be used to measure small pressure drops in a system, even if that system is running at a high line pressure. The P55 is available with most commonly specified output signals. The standard output is 0 to 5 volts DC over the full-scale pressure range. The offset voltage options and voltage outputs isolated from the power supply are also available. The P55 can be ordered with 4 to 20 milliamp outputs and an offset of 4 to 12 to 20 milliamp output. The P55 can be powered by any unregulated DC power supply that puts out plus 9 to plus 55 volts DC at 20 milliamps or more. Finally, there are new variants of the P55 with digital output capability, USB, CAN bus, and serial outputs option where pressure, temperature, calibration data, as well as the ability to set zero and span can all be done digitally. The P55 can operate at temperatures from negative 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We offer two options for temperature compensation. The standard is 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, as an optional wide range of negative 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The result is that the total error, including temperature effects and sensor error, is just 0.5% Fs for the standard operating range. The low displacement volume of the P55 sensor allows it to be used for fast dynamic pressure measurements. The P55 will respond to changes in pressure of up to 80 Hz without distortion. This is the response time of just 3 milliseconds, and the response is even faster for liquid systems. The electronics are similarly designed to pass frequencies of up to 250 Hz, making the P55 ideal for transient studies in piping systems. The P55 series of pressure transducers and pressure transmitters has been used in a wide array of applications. It has been used extensively in the aerospace industry for flight tests and military, as long as commercial aircrafts. The compact size, rugged construction, and mounting hole locations make it convenient to use for engine test cells, where the P55 family has been used for the last 30 years. Because of the low displacement volume, the P55 is critical and used for liquid chromatography and flow applications. Like all Validyne pressure sensors and pressure transducers, the P55 does not contain any silicone or oil in the sensor cavity. This makes the P55 ideal for applications in very low temperature environments. In summary, the P55 is a compact, robust pressure transducer that is available in a wide variety of pressure ranges. From units with a full scale of just plus or minus 0.125 psid and up to high pressure sensors of plus or minus 3,200 psid. The P55 is available in a wide variety of standard analog as well as digital signal outputs and is digitally corrected for high performance over a wide operating temperature range. The small sensor cavity allows the P55 to have a very fast response time, making it suitable for dynamic pressure measurements. And because of the modular nature of the design in the P55, it can be customized from the pressure ports to the conductor and to the housing. The pressure calibration can be done in any units of pressure as well as custom temperature ranges. I hope this short overview of the P55 has been helpful and that you will keep Validyne in mind for your pressure measurement needs. Thanks for watching and listening, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest pressure technology.